Health monitoring features. Track your heart rate and blood pressure 24/7, empowering you to stay proactive about your well-being. Dive into insightful sleep monitoring to optimize your rest for peak performance. Stay informed about your 0-2 levels for enhanced vitality. Plus, find moments of tranquility with guided breathing exercises, all from your wrist. Discover a smarter approach to a healthier lifestyle with FETVA Fitness Tracker, only for encouraging a healthy lifestyle, not for medical use. Fitness tracking capabilities. Elevate your fitness journey with FitV Fitness Tracker's extensive tracking capabilities. Monitor your daily activities effortlessly, from steps taken to calories burned and distance traveled. With over 120+ sports modes, you'll find the perfect fit for your workout routine, whether you're hitting the gym or exploring the great outdoors. Convenient reminders. Stay on track throughout your day with FETV Smartwatch reminders. Avoid prolonged periods of inactivity with sedentary reminders and stay hydrated with drinking water reminders. Women's health features track your menstrual time and record menstrual changes to learn more about your body. Never miss an appointment with our alarm clock feature, keeping you punctual and organized. Handy Bluetooth features. FIT Fitness Watch goes beyond health and fitness, offering a range of convenient features. Built-in AAC audio technology. Enjoy crystal clear Bluetooth calls directly from your wrist. Receive texts and app notifications. Locating your misplaced phone has never been easier. Enjoy your favorite tunes on the go with Bluetooth music playback control and capture memories effortlessly with remote camera control, all from the convenience of your wrist. Practical utility features. Experience convenience at your fingertips with FIV's Smartwatch's array of practical functions. Stay ahead of the weather with real-time forecasts delivered directly to your wrist. Whether you're timing laps at the track or tracking your workout, our stopwatch and countdown timer ensure precision. Keep your schedule organized with easy access to your calendar. Stay connected with quick access to your contacts. Need to crunch some numbers? Our built-in calculator has you covered, water-resistant. Design and durability. Designed to withstand your active lifestyle, a FITV smartwatch features IP67 water-resistant, allowing you to wear it with confidence, rain or shine, not suitable for diving or surfing. Long battery life and compatibility, with a battery life of up to 7 days, varies with use and other factors. FITV Fitness Tracker seamlessly syncs with Android 5.1, iOS 10.0 and above smartphones with 5.0 Bluetooth, not for PC or tablet. Suitable wrist size dimensions, 5.71, 8.86 inch,